Good morning everyone. Welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin. I hope you're all doing very well as always. The sound normally is working well. Let me check this really quick. Alright, just gonna wait a bit here. Yes, perfect. Okay. So we've got a continuation here a bit. First swing through pan yesterday was not really good for a long, and now we took the lower 30 here, so that's pretty cool to be honest with you. But again, I was sleeping 1 AM, so I'm gonna wait for a retest or something. First of all, if we have a 5 ways up, we can in that case look for a possible A, B, C, or wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. I'm gonna take an impulsive personal here, so wave 1, 2, bam, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna wait for the retest to come to really long something. But anyway, first of all, let me see here. Daily on the top, we don't care. Let's see the levels. If you want to get this template right here, this workspace, you just have to go on the website. You can download this for free. So 36,310. Let's see here. To go. And we do have some news, by the way, today at 2:30 UTC +1. What was this? Okay. So we have a TPO at 36,886. Good, and we have one new here too. $36,888. So bam. Let's remove that one. Sorry. All right, so let's see, add a bit more volume here. Okay. If we add this one. Well, yeah, this is really the first resistance to reclaim, really, to expect higher. So that will be cool, for example, today to get a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from here, bam, get a bit of a pullback into the VWAP or something. Or the volume we'll get here on the way up. That'll be cool. Now, if we reclaim this directly here, well, we can look for the swing factor of these highs, but I would prefer to continue higher, to be honest. Yeah, these are some. That's a really, I mean, this can give something, to be honest with you, these highs right there, but yeah, I would prefer to go higher personally. So yeah, TPO, if there is no rejection here, can give something of these highs, but I would prefer here to the high to come, really, and maybe have a new high to be made. There is a plan for higher, really, within this section of the range. And to the downside, well, we will need to get this this last push to the upside if we can get it. Except this is already. I'll prefer to get one push to the upside again here to really complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get a bigger wave 1, 2, or A, B, and get another rise. And so we'll need this to get the full volume of this push to the upside here. For the moment, for example, the value alloy is really there, so yeah, it should bring us around there, but we'll see really when we get the retrace, if we manage to retrace here. And if we have the 5 ways, because if we have a triple wave, remember, it's a correction to go more down, so we'll need a 5 ways. Yeah, so in any case, first target for the moment will be, so VWAP, why not? But for now there is no real confidence with this. Yeah, so I will prefer the naked session path control, but I don't know if we're going to manage to go that down. So we'll see if we manage to break this naked session path control. We can look for the swing for a pan. We have plan here. So the long trade like this. So we have this possible long trade here. Swing for a path that low down to the weekly negative path control, and if we start breaking this, then it's we just have to look at the next super wave plan, right? So TPO daily negative path control. If we start break this, swing for a path that bottom with a TPO in the value high. If we start breaking this bottom right here with a weekly negative path control, with the path control, by the way. Yes, path control, the full consolidation. If we start breaking this, then we have all the lows here. Okay, all the lows right here to take. Really good target, but a bit easy to spot, so we'll be careful. We can do maybe something a bit more complex, you know, with the approach, like fake the dump or something, like go below, flip into resistance, fake the dump, bam, and come back up like this, for example. Be aware of something like this. If we have nothing in there, simple look for the lows right here to be taken, right? And if the lows here are taken but without any good data for a long, we can look for the bottom right here of the pullback. And if there is nothing again here, we can simply look for a drop into 30,600-700. Okay. So this is a plan really on this. Nothing changed so much, to be honest with you. Have not longer this yesterday, it was very bad. This I was slipping. I have not checked it, by the way, if this was good for a long. Let me see real quick. Got a bit of a bullish divergence here, you can see. Low, high, low, low and low, low here. So this is good for a bounce, but we did bounce it already. Okay. That's cool, because on that one we do have trap shorts. You can see all the shorts here coming in, but getting absorbed. You have the low, high, low on the right, and the low, lower, low here. So you can see all the shorts coming here, bam, getting absorbed. And normally, live in the time, you can see the P profile here increasing. Was it today? No, it was. Yeah, it was today. So you have some few millions there of limits in the P profile. Okay, and then what do we have there? People shorting their crypto. This is pretty crazy. We don't have the best reaction ever next, but let's see just really quickly the 10-second chart, and then we're good. Yeah, not the best reaction ever next, but yeah, gonna wait for the retest personally, because I'm not sure in any case this will have been a long for me and this will have been announced. You know the thing is, you have the good reaction on the order flow, Like you do have absorption, trap shorts, whatever. But the thing is, you don't have the reaction you want next to really take the trade. I mean, you have it on some few different time frames, but a bit late, and that's not the best of the best, to be honest. So I will either wait for a retest, and if the retest is bad, then simple, you just wait for a new low to be made, right? So new low into the swing for pound of Elliott low, and if there is nothing here, into the weekly negative power control. I mean, new low here to be made. Simple as that. So yeah, just to go here on the high time frame a bit, right here. And I'm not going to cover the wave today, simply because I'm gonna let you go and check and watch the last update I have done on YouTube. Let me just show you that very quickly. Where is this website? Yeah, here. There. This you just have to go and check this. I really have all the information there, and nothing changed at the moment. So let's stay with the levels for the moment, okay? So if you manage here to reclaim the tops with no swing for pan, we're simply going to look for a new high to be made. So as always, swing for pan, fail auction. Swing for pan, you take the previous high and you bam, close below directly, you leave it with a wick, and you just come back down next, and you just get a reversal really. A fail auction, you just get acceptance above, if you can say that. Spend some time, start forming something bearish, and retrace. This is a fail auction. Swing for pan, fail auction. Okay. If there is no swing for pan, fail auction on that top, we're simply going to look for that key level. Key level up to the right here, path control. Swing for pans. Okay, so key level up to the triple swing for pan here. If there is nothing here good for a short, we're simply going to look for this swing for pan at that top, so to speak. From here, we're going to look for a nice 5%, 6% increase in price up to this top right here, swing for pan into this weekly negative path control. So 43,000 on Bitcoin up to 43,500. If we really manage to break 40,000, by the way, 41,000. If we start breaking this weekly negative path control, we're simply going to look for this monthly here up to the path control here, so to speak, 45,600, 500 up to 47,300. Break this, look for the high with the month's negative path control. Okay, not gonna go too high, it's not really useful for the moment. And so here, if we start breaking, you know, so the pullback we've got there. So when you have the really quick push up here, really quick push up, pull back, if you start breaking, so to speak, 32,500, if we start breaking this, we're simply going to look for right here 30,600, 6,700. Okay, and if we start breaking this, we have more chance normally to go to this value high and the weekly negative path control. Sorry, so value low monthly here for support, again support value high weekly, but again these levels right here, the four first levels are all resistance, so we have more chance to come into the stronger support, coming around 28,900 down to 28,500. Okay, with the swing for pound lows here. And so yeah, within the range, already gave you everything. Have all this support. Yeah, you should do have a lot, but you do have to trade the direction. You know, so we're going to get some invalidation really quick. For example, if you manage to go that down here, we do this, then there is just no reason to take a long in this, and so we can remove that right here, and that's it really. Okay. Hope that makes sense. Yeah, this is how I'm going to. I mean, how I am approaching the market right now. With the wave, nothing changed it so much, to be honest. For me right now, this looks more like a correction here. I mean, this is more like a triple wave, right? So it's just for me a bigger triple wave before to go high. This is what I'm looking more likely, you know, but again, this is a lower time frame, can be really tricky sometimes. But otherwise, what we can do here is to simply pull the extension tool like this, and triple wave, 5 waves. Yeah. Yeah, it's possibly done, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something what the fuck here really for a leading, but anyway. So 5 waves, correction, 5 waves. Of course the best with the 1618 here, but are we going to manage to go there? It depends if we get a good data or not next for a long. We'll see this during the day. So yeah, don't forget the news today. But again, yeah, looks more like a correction. So it's just for me a bigger triple wave personally at the moment. yeah, we will see how far it goes. But yeah, personally, I'm taking this more a correction to push high for the moment until I get an invalidation. But yeah, anyway, that's it really for me for today. Nothing more really to add on this. So I don't know if you have some questions. Let me know if you have some questions. Otherwise, we're good really. Just gonna pull, by the way, some few Elliott's there. TPO. Let's look for the swing through pounds for a scalp here. Yo, what happened? Okay. Nice. And see if we can make a bit of money off this. And let's pull. Yeah, let's add one here. This is not valid. Perfect. Yips. All right. So let's see if we have some questions today. No, we don't. Okay, so yeah, hope you'll enjoy. Not a crazy daily update today, to be fair. We did have not moved so much, so there is nothing more really to add on this. Nothing changed so much, but yeah, hope you enjoyed. I wish you all a brilliant day. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Don't forget that there is a Gezepan number 2 that is available right there into the Gezepan. So if you want to learn it waves, in my opinion, this is a really good way to learn it. Okay, you can just learn some, yeah, how to do the chartings really. You can also just watch the video, for example, without for checking, for example, the result or something. So you can just, yeah, improve your skills really. And all of this for absolutely free. You can also find this on the website into the course section there, bam, course. And you have this nice Gezepan right here. Just click the let's go and this will bring you on the Gezepan number 2, for example, here. Okay, anyway, on this being said, yups, I wish you all a brilliant day. Take care of you and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.